Yo, Digital Dennis, and in this tutorial, I'd like to show y'all how you can actually save your printout documents as images. So, for instance, if I open up the Photography Weeks magazine over here, and I see something that I like, for instance, if I go to page 12 under Gallery Exposure, and this is a PDF file. Now I would like to save it as an image, but through printing. So let's just say, for instance, I wanted to do that. I would need I would actually need to download a Microsoft Office. A Microsoft Office comes with a program called Send to OneNote. And Send to OneNote comes with Microsoft Office's 2013 professional package, which allows you to create a sort of compositing files or documents and put them all into one constructed file, which usually is a PDF. But in this case, we want an image, and an image only of whatever's been printed instead of the printout itself. So we would select our printer, and instead of selecting a printer, we'd select Send to OneNote. We'd select the page, which in this case is actually 12. This is page 13. And then it should look like this. And then you click Print, and then it sends it to OneNote. And OneNote opens up, and then the user would have to click on Quick Notes. And then all of a sudden, this awkward looking page comes out, and this is how it actually looks. And you're probably wondering how to save the image on itself without the whole text note here. And you actually have to left click on the image section of the OneNote document, and you would right click and save as, and I'm going to save this to desktop as image 1. And basically here it is over here, and as you can see, it comes out in great condition because it's a portable network graphics image. And yeah, and after this, let's just say, for instance, you want another image, you would do the same thing. So for instance, let's just say I wanted page 13. You could press Control P, or you could go to File, Print, does the same thing. You do the same thing again, but this time you select page 13. It shows you the preview. You print, and this time you can even, you can select it again. And as you can see underneath the page numbers over here, it actually comes out as printouts. So if you wanted to export it, you do the same thing. Left click, then right click, then save as, then image 2. And let's see how that one turned out. And that's pretty cool. Yeah, guys. And as you know, Adobe Reader cannot export as an image, and that's why this is a necessary tool. So you can do it wherever you see any printout, on the internet, on a PDF, on a Word format that you want to print on anything and turn it into an image. Okay, guys, I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Like, subscribe, comment, and Digital Dennis is signing out. Yeah.